motorcycle repair shop established back in 2006. Tire changes, I do services. My name is Valdi. I'm owner and operator of Valdi's Motozone. Originally, I'm from Poland. I was always in love with the motorcycle, with two wheels, with the engine. That's my passion, and came over here to United States. I was working like a car mechanic, then I switched to BMW motorcycle, working for a dealer. We're gonna remove the tire from the rim just because it needs to be replaced. That's gonna go on the beautiful black K1200S. We're gonna perform some kind of annual service, replacing all the fluids on the bike because it's time for it. Now we are in the area where I keep my spare parts like transmissions, final drives. This is Valdi, Valdi's Motozone. Welcome everybody, come over here, or I will see you on the road. Yeah?
I appreciate it.
Oh, chihuahua. Now I'm gonna look like crazy. Yeah, all right.